Hello and welcome to Nammi Makhana. Today we are going to talk about makhana. What is makhana? Why should you have makhana? And how can you have makhana? Now let's start with the first question. What are these makhanas? This actually comes from a seed of a water lily plant that belongs to the lotus family. So makhana is also called as lotus seed. So the seeds are harvested from the pond. Those seeds are black in color. They are dried and then popped just like popcorn. Using heat it is popped and then the makhanas look like this. Why should you have makhana? Now these little white popped seeds are full of nutrients. Number one, this has high calcium, which is great for bones and teeth. Now it is good for children, it is good for people who have problems with arthritis or who generally need calcium. The next benefit of this is makhana has high antioxidants. Antioxidants are great for your skin, so you will not have wrinkles. It has anti-aging properties, so great for people who want to look young always. The third benefit of makhana is it is low in sodium and high in magnesium. So low sodium and high magnesium is good for people with blood pressure and diabetes. It helps you regulate and manage your BP and diabetes better. The fourth benefit of makhana is it can give you instant energy. So it is great snack for kids at the end of a long day or in their tiffin box. It is also good for people who feel weak. It can give you instant energy. Foxnuts or makhanas are also great in your weight loss journey. So if you're trying to lose weight or in general remain healthy, then have a handful of makhanas every day and you will see the difference. So these makhanas can be had by children, it can be had by adults, men, women, older people, anyone. The how of makhana. How do you use or eat makhanas? Now these are plain makhanas. Plain makhanas cannot be consumed directly. The first and mandatory step to use or eat makhana is to roast the makhana. Get a kadhai, put it on low flame, take a bowl of makhana, put it in the pan here, roast it gently for about 7 to 10 minutes. You will see as you roast this on low flame, the color of the makhana will change to light brown and it will start getting crispier and crunchier. To know if your makhana is done, take a makhana and between your fingers press this. If it becomes powdery or if it breaks, that means your makhana is ready. Now that your makhana is roasted, you can use these makhanas in various forms. You can put it in curry, you can sprinkle some salt and pepper along with ghee and have it like a snack. You can make paisam or kheer out of this. You can even powder this makhana and use it with milk as a health drink powder, which is extremely nutritious for all age groups. Tapas Foods has plain and roasted makhana. Tapas Foods also has Nammi Makhana. This Nammi Makhana has 3 flavors: cheesy, spicy and tangy, and these are ready to eat makhanas. So they are roasted and sprinkled with your favorite flavors. A packet of Nammi Makhana for your kids or during your work breaks or after your workouts is a great guilt-free snack. Enjoy Nammi Makhana.